guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Python file which takes input from the user and finds area perimeter of a quadrilateral. So let's get started. This is a blank file. Save it as this file belongs to quadrilaterals, so I'm saving it as quad. Select type Python and save. So let's begin coding. First line, type print quadrilateral, capital Q, and now define quadrilateral. Now so quadrilateral will be like this. Yellow color one is the longest diagonal, and this one is one of the smallest diagonal, and another one is another smaller diagonal. Let's erase it. So type here, as we have three diagonals, so we will take them as A, B, C. So A is equals to longest diagonal, A equals float input, as we have said A is equals to longest diagonal, so input longest diagonal equals, and then B as one of the smallest diagonal equals float input brackets, and as B is small diagonal, so one of the small diagonal equals. Now C has another smaller diagonal, so float, and then input here again the smaller diagonals, so we type another small diagonal equals, and equals quadrilateral area equals brackets, the brackets 1/2 into 1/2 into A, the longest diagonal, into A multiplied by one of the small diagonal, that is B, and plus brackets as same as this 1/2 into A into C, another smaller diagonal C. The area formula is over, and it's a lengthy process to find the perimeter, so I'm not doing it here. So we'll just print out the area. So type print area equals, come on, as we have represented area is capital A, so capital A, comma, area will be measured in square units, so square units, and perimeter, as I said before, it's a lengthy process, so print perimeter equals sum of all sides. That's it, we can do. So it's prints quadrilateral and asks longest diagonal, so I'm entering longest diagonal as 9. One of the smallest diagonal is 5, and another smallest diagonal is I enter as 3, so it shows area is equal to 36 square units. This answer is correct because I have already checked it in Google and other online websites. And perimeter, as I said, it's 75. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.